The Suites at One Bonifacio High Street. Ayala Land Premier is privileged to present the first glimpse into a landmark all-suite residential community, a collection of distinctive living experiences ranging from extremely rare to one-of-a-kind. Iconic single-tower residential development, 63 stories, 298 residential suites with limited edition sky villas. Rendered in 2BR, 3BR, and 4BR configurations. Rising above a section of its retail complement and effortlessly making a statement at the corner of 3rd Avenue and 28th Street, the Suites is the singular residential aspect of One Bonifacio High Street. Turnover begins in 2018. The Suites location and vicinity. Ayala Land Premier positions this distinctive, all-suite residential community within One Bonifacio High Street, an integrated, urban core anchoring Bonifacio Global City, BGC, with a collection of best-in-class residential, commercial, and lifestyle pursuits. Bonifacio High Street is a kilometer-long lifestyle destination traversing the heart of Bonifacio Global City. Beginning with the shops at Serendral, Bonifacio High Street creates an enhanced walking experience with unique, highly urban encounters, a panorama of retail and entertainment, interactive art and play pieces, abundant landscapes and open spaces. This vibrant lifestyle spectrum culminates in BGC's landmark address, One Bonifacio High Street. A mixed-use development bringing together retail shops, an office building, and the suites. Each destination's design elements complement the whole, a setting of iconic, timeless elegance. Bounded by the 28th Street, 3rd Avenue and the major roadway network of the 5th Avenue, One Bonifacio High Street cultivates BGC's live, work, play lifestyles into fruition. The Suites features at amenities. Efficiency features. Motion sensors for lights in select commons areas. Maximized natural ventilation for common areas. Efficiency features for common area toilet features. Safety and security features. Fully addressable fire detection and alarm system. 24-hour security and building maintenance. Proximity card elevator access for security. 100% backup power, common areas, suites, sky villas. Convenience and services features. Exclusive motor court. 5 passenger elevators. 1 dedicated service elevator. Upper tenant parking slots for every suite and sky villa. Air-conditioned ground floor lobby. Centralized sanitary disposal system. Direct access to the retail shops at One Bonifacio High Street. Lap pool. An exclusive lap pool for residents is just one of the featured amenities of the Suites at One Bonifacio. Recreational and children's pools. There will also be separate pools for children and visitors. Fully equipped fitness center. Previous Ayala properties such as Greenbelt Residences have used live fitness equipment and state-of-the-art fixtures for their fitness, gym areas. Social hall. A function room for important events and gatherings. Children's play areas. Family-oriented areas for your children. Dedicated residential admin office. Any concerns may be directed to the admin office in regards with settling of monthly dues, reserving function areas, maintenance inquiries, and complaints. Concierge. An added feature at the Suites is the inclusion of a concierge service. Residents can avail many of the services included such as pick-up dry cleaning, appointment scheduling, and other various value-added options. Mail room. To facilitate the correspondence and packages for the Suites residences, a standard mail room is in place. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe. Kindly also hit the notification bell to remind you an update once we have a new uploaded. Maraming salamat.